Hello everybody, welcome to TechTuber. In this video, I will show you how to fill these blanks with the value of the above cell. What most of the people do, they drag this cell up to this or double click here to get all the data. But if the number of data is large, this will take lot of time. After watching this video, you can do this in few seconds. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So you have to first select the entire range and go to find and select and click go to special. Alternatively, you can hit Ctrl G and click on special and click blanks here and click OK. This will select the first blank cell in this range. Write down equal to the above cell and you have to press Ctrl Enter. You see all the data is filled. If you want to get the values only, you have to select the entire range, copy the range and right click here and paste as values. So hope you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends. See you in the next video.